Daddy, did you see the antelope? Sorry.
Esco.
I mean, did you see the native pot I dropped to your altar?
Esco Petenya.
Sorry, I mean, did you see the envelope I dropped to your altar yesterday?
My son, your market people, I'm sorry. Your village people, they are on top of your matter. You will come to my shrine. Sorry. You will come to my shrine. You will kneel down and I will pray for you.
Me? You will pray for me?
Of course. You have to go down and I will pray for you. Good day, my son. Native pot in my altar. Altar I built when I was very young. You are a B-fool, a B1.
Good morning. Yeah.
Morning, sir.
I was scared. The way you opened the gate. You are back.
Yes, sir. I'm back.
That was fast.
I've dropped the car with the mechanic.
Okay.
It's in good shape now. If you see your car.
You mean the car is in good condition?
Yes, sir. Very good condition.
No problem. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes, I came to drop the key.
Very good. No problem. No problem. No problem.
Sir. I wanted to. Is your wife inside the bathroom?
My wife?
Because I wanted to
what?
I wanted to it's not. I thought she was in the backyard.
So this is how you have been tutorizing my wife? My friend, shut up your mouth. You are a beeful. A beeful. He that is in me is greater than he that is in you. So this is how you have been tutorizing my wife?
Nothing like that, sir. Nothing like that.
No problem. Get out. I say get out. Can you imagine? Hey. So this is how this boy has been tutorizing my wife. In fact, this boy is a beeful. His father is a beeful. His mother is a beeful. His whole family and his village, they are all beeful. For him to be tutorizing my wife, I'm a beeful. Look at what he said in the beginning. In the beginning, I'm a beeful.
Papa Ojo, where is that? Papa Ojo, because of the little misunderstanding, you don't want to receive my greetings, eh? Papa Ojo, I said good morning, sir. You will answer the greetings first, eh?
Thunder from heaven will fall upon you. Huh? Sorry, I mean God bless you. And excuse me, who gave you the audacity to question my coming in and my going out in the church? Do you know salvation is personal? Yes. Do you know what? You are a beeful. Yes, I'm trying to give you something.
Papa Ojo, leave my house.